Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use keyframes in CapCut PC video editor. So here, if you want to use keyframes on CapCut PC, you can just click on the clips that you add first, and then here, if you find the diamond shape icon at the at the right panel, here is what the keyframes where the keyframe is. So let's say you want to add a keyframe to adjust the scale. You can also adjust the position, rotate, blend, the opacity, and also other settings. So I'm gonna show you how you can use that. So first, I'm going to make it big like this, and then I'm going to add a keyframe. Then I'm going to move forward and then make it smaller like this to the original size. Then after that, you can see that another keyframe will be created automatically. So when you go back, then you play, it will go like this. So not only about position, you can also adjust the opacities here. So for example, I want to lower the opacity of the video like this into a 60%. Then I'm going to add a keyframe in here and then move forward again. Oops, I'm going to go here and then I'm going to move the opacity back again to the original one, and then another keyframe will be created. So after that, it will look like this. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like, click on the thanks below, and also subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye bye.